Hi there, guys. Good day. This is Jonathan Ribble. Today we're going to go over scribblefunnels.com. I'm going to show you how to create a website layout from scratch in just a few short minutes. I used to have trouble. I used to draw a blank when I draw a blank. Now, the first thing I think we need to do when we create a website is you need to have a plan. You need to have a map. A lot of people they struggle. You need to have a layout on paper first, or draw it out on. There's some software. I scribble mine out, but basically have a map. I don't know if you can see something like this, but have a hierarchy of your software. Okay, so whatever it is you're going to build and create, have your software have it written down. So if you want a landing page, and then out of that landing page, where do you want it to send people to? You want to have a form on the landing page, draw it out, write down what you want, and then just draw it out. Instead of trying to do it from the computer and not having a path to go to. So that's what I would highly recommend, that you sit down and you say, okay, I want a home page, and then I want an about us page, and then I want a contact us page, but I also want a really nice, attractive landing page that I can send people to funnel them back into my website. You see that's how a funnel works. A landing page is over here. It's directing them to sign up for my free book, free offer. So take out a sheet of paper and literally draw out what you intend. That's the best way for me, drawing something out. Then I can put everything together once I'm there. So let's just start, shall we? I'm going to share my screen with you. And we're going to come over here, and I'm going to just come over here. And this is, so this is what, when you sign up at scribblefunnels.com, you're going to find that you're going to log into this. It's going to bring you into your builder, your dashboard, if you will. And as you can see right up here, we've got the store, the contacts, the appointments, all built right within this one page. I don't have to go here, go there, go everywhere to try to find what I'm looking for. But we'll get into each of these sections in a minute. But let's just say I want to create a new website. Create a new website. It's going to bring me to this page, which is going to give me all sorts of opportunities here to look something up. So I can go down through these. So you've got hairdressers, you got service apps, you got restaurants, you got medical or dentist, you got the consultant, service, fitness, accountant, fitness, restaurant, personal. These are all the templates that you have. They're very professionally done. And I'm just, I want to do blank. I'm going to do this view. This is my blank canvas. And I used to draw blank when I had this canvas, but I'm going to start with this because I feel really creative right now. So drawing a blank. Okay, whatever your website page is, this is what now you're going to come into this. So this is, and then I'm going to just expand this out so you can follow me along, because you don't need to see me anymore. But this is and if you have any comments about this, go ahead and leave them in the comments section, or if you have any questions. So it's telling me, hello, Jonathan. So there's going to be a video every time you open up this. So if you ever get lost, watch that video. It's a good way to get on there. Now, I can have a logo up here. Obviously, I need to change the logo. Now I can have it text, or I can have image. So if you have an image to your logo, you would come here. Now my folder's empty, but if I wanted to add a different folder, like files, anything like that, I can put them right in here. This is kind of my file folder, if you will. My my filing cabinet. So you can add a folder, and then you would upload your file. Then you'd hit select and put it right in there. So we're just going to leave that blank there for now. But this is called a block. So I'm going to add, I want to add a block, but I want to add a widget here. So I want to add a heading right here. So this is my heading. I want to put it in the center. And then I want to change the font size to 66. I want to bold it. I want to add a little bit of color. I love color. So there we go. Add that color. And if I want to change this, there we go. Now I've got a new heading, and I can add my footer area here. I want to just delete this. Don't like it here. Oops. Delete that. Yep, don't like that. But I'm going to add a block here. I'm going to add this one. And then I'm going to remove this one. Boom. Now I've got this one. I don't need this one anymore. We'll just delete that out of there. Bring this down a little bit so I can, don't need this one. Yep. And header settings on top. I can have vertical at the left. So I can have my header here, but I can have it on the left over here. So this is I can edit my menu. I can have as many things as I want on here. I can tell it to link it to, and then I would hit select. But if I want to add a menu item, I want it to go, I'm going to say pages, but I don't have any other pages, so I'm going to add a page. So add a page, add new. We're going to do, say I want to do a blog. Stay and save. I'll save this. Okay. I want to add a page. Oops. Add a page. I want to do a blog. So here we go. Got my blog post. So you can start editing your blog. Edit the header and the sidebar. So here's my my blog. I can change it. I can add a video background. I just need to put the video YouTube in there. I can add a gradient. I can add an overlay. I can add a shape divider. I can do a flip divider. I can do the invert divider, whatever. So add, and there we have it. So, and then I can change my copy on here, my header. I can put it in the center again. I can add the block sidebar. So here we go, save. And then I've got my published, my drafts, my trash. So it takes me all to that. So that you got your blog built in here. So now I want to add another page. I want to add another, but let's suppose I want to do, I want to add a new page group. Let's suppose I want to do courses, guys. So I'm going to add that page group. And now I've got those pages in there, and then I'm going to add a page, and I'm going to do courses, and you're going to see, let's just do this one. I kind of like that one, and this is going to be course number 1. Whoops, I don't want that there. I want to delete it. Yeah, I should. There we go. And then I'm going to go back here and I'm going to add a new page. Sorry. And then I'm going to go down here to the membership courses. See, all this is laid out here. So I'm going to hit this one. I'm going to select that one. And this is course number 1. Add it to the page, the courses group. So now I can come in here. I can edit these. I don't need this one. Yep. And I don't need this one. Yep. And I just need course 1, course 2, and course 3. And my magic wand course. Okay. Then I'm going to just do Genie and a model. Some info about the course you're offering. I can change the video with whatever video link that you have. I can use a custom thumbnail. So, and then I can do this shadow. I like the outer shadow. Sometimes I like, I don't know what so then I've got that. So I can change that, kind of makes it look nice. And then I come down here to the call to action button. I want to edit the styling of that. So the padding size, there we go. Border radius, so I can change it any way I want. And expand it to the full width if I want. And if I want a hover effect, slide color to the right, fade in, fill with color, grow in shadow, float up in shadow, grow, pop, whatever you want. So I like this one. And the border color, I can even add a gradient to that button. And then if I wanted the shadow to kind of lift it up off the page, I can do that. And let's do this blue again. I like that. And here we go. And so you can change the shadow where you want it to be. You can do a vertical offset. So whatever you want. It's your world. You can change it. You can do the blur. So saturation, and there you go. Spread radius. So whatever you like. It's your world. So now I've just hit save changes, save changes. And guess what I'm going to do up here? This is a, I like this page. So I am going to come up here, and this is a global column. Going to double tap on that. And these are my courses. So I'm going to hit submit. Now you're going to see something very nice. So when I come back here, I want to add a course is simply one of your courses, like course 1, it's a page. Course 2, it's a page. Course 3, it's a page. So I want to add another course here, but I'm going to just duplicate this one. I like it, so I'll duplicate it. Yep. Stay and save. I'm going to save the changes here, and then I'm going to come back here to the pages. I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to do duplicate. I like that. Yes. So I got 3 courses here for these 3. So guess what? My magic wand course, I'm on the other one. So I can change this one. So we'll come back here. These are, it's going to be course 1. So I'm going to change the settings. That's course 1. We'll save that. Course 2. show settings, course 3. So as you can see, guys, I've got 3 courses already. Now, all I'm going to do then is change the title of each course. So if I come back here, course number 1 is Genie in a Bottle. Course number 2 is going to be Rubbing Bottle. Save changes. Course number 3, come back here. Course number 3 is Granting My Wish. And then I'm going to hit save. And then here you go. So now I've got a course. I can get rid of these 3 if I don't want those courses, but let's just leave them there for now. Let me just show you how this works live, guys. And see what it looks like here. Now I still have to tell these things where to go, because right now I haven't, it says page not found, return home. I haven't set the path. How do I do that? It's because I want it to go to the next step in the funnel. So I'm going to change this, and I edit the menu. I'm going to, now the only thing about this is course 1, course 2, course 3. So I'm just going to leave those as titled. I'll change those titles later, but I'm going to take them to a page, and I'm going to go to courses, course 1. Okay. So and I want to open them up in the same tab. With courses, you want to do that because they're moving on to the next one. You don't want to have them have, 3 to 13 tabs open depending on how long your course is. So then this is going to go to page. It's going to go to courses, and it's going to go to course 2. Okay, and then you're going to hit save, and then you're going to go to course 3. You're going to edit this, and the page is courses, course 3. Okay, and then you hit save, and then save the changes. And since this is a global setting, I don't have to worry about that. I'm going to just go here. And when I go here, it's going to take me to course 1. When I go here, course 2. When I go there, course 3. Oh, I need to change that. I need to edit that menu. For some reason, it didn't save there. So let's edit that again. Course 3. And hit that. And there we are. And let's hit save changes. And here we are. And we're on course 3. So we're going to go to course 2 and course 1. Edit menu. Add the menu item. Oops. Don't want to add a menu item. I want to go to course 1. Course 1. Name tab. And save the changes. Okay. Now here we go. These should all be good to go now. Pages. So course 1, course 3. And you can edit this column again. Oh. Okay, that's good. And then we're going to make sure course 1 and come back here. courses, course 1, select, and then just to Genie in a bottle. Rubbing the bottle and granting my wish. This is my course. So now I've added those. I'm going to hit save and I'm going to review it. Now it's beginning to take shape. Ah, that's right. I need to figure out, I need to change these individually. So there we go. That's why it's not working here, guys. Give me a second here. On the menus, you have to change them individually because the menus can be going to different pages all at the time. So let's just go here and let's go to pages. Let's go to course 1. And let's go to course 2. There we are. Here we are. This is the reason. And that's why. Pages, I didn't do this one. Course 1. Okay. Course 2. And course. Didn't change the menu on the second page. So that's why it was giving us the issues. Oh, course 3. And going to rename these Genie. Bottle. Rubbing the bottle. And granting my wish. There we are. Come up here, save the changes. Now we're going to look at it. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Just takes a little time of getting used to, but once you do, there's all my courses. I've just showed you how to, and then all I have to do is add this here, call to action, wherever, any offerings, any extra things that I want on here. So if I hit X out of here and I don't want all this stuff down here, I can drop that footer. Everything's on the side. If I want to have it on the top, normal size, I can get rid of this block. Don't need all this extra stuff down here because this is just a course page. They've already been in here. I can tell them now anything else down here. Check out our new features, try the demo, start your journey after they've watched the videos. But I've just done a course, so I hope this sure helps, guys. It's very, very simple to use. It's going to take a little bit of a learning curve, but I've just created courses in a matter of a couple of minutes. So head on over to Scribble Funnels, get your free trial. There's no credit card required, and you're going to be absolutely amazed with this software. We have just added a course in a matter of minutes. So if you like what you see, you know, this is your world, guys. So it is a very easy software to use. I'm going to hit stop the share. Does anybody have any questions, comments, peanuts from the gallery, or comments from the peanut gallery? But it is I believe it's a game changer, guys. I've looked at things that go click things that go groovy, things that drop, things that I have a hard enough time pronouncing, let alone using. I like to keep the cookies on the lower shelf. If I can learn it, if I can use it, you know, it's a good thing they call these blocks in here because I'm kind of a blockhead anyway. If I can use this software, anybody can use this software, guys. It's called scribblefunnels.com. I want everybody to know it because if you're an emerging entrepreneur or a coach or anybody that wants to generate leads or wants to have your own web presence, maybe you just want to have a your own family site. Now, one thing I will show you guys, and this is actually what I go goo for in this software. It's amazing to me. I am here. I want to add an appointment. Okay. I want to add a way where they can set up their own appointments. Now you can, let me just go here, discard this. This is what I really like. I'm on the appointments page. I'm going to come here. I want to create another page. Actually, I want to create a page within I want to create my own booking page. Let's just suppose I only have one page on my website, and it's simply to get away from Calendly, away from Google Calendar, away from all that. I just want to have my own branded calendar page, my own. Let's do that. I'm going to add a page, add a new. I'm going to do an add a page. I'm going to do an empty page. And I'm going to call it booking. And I'm going to add it just to the pages. And I'm going to get rid of, don't know why this came here, but let's go to that booking page. Here it is. I wanted a blank page. So we're going to just delete this. Delete that box. Yep, I want to delete it. I don't want a footer. And we'll put this up on the top. I don't. And then I'm going to add a widget here. I'm going to call it booking. Well, I need to set my appointments up. I need to stay and save changes, go here, and I need to create a new booking event. My event name is Appointment with Master of Disaster. My description is power session. My location is Zoom. I can send them an email with the information. I can add an operator, add a new operator. We're in me. I'm going to go ahead and add. I can also assign operators automatically if I already have multiple operators in there. The operator is actually you. I can do a one-on-one or group or 30 minutes, 45 minutes. I can do it in the next 2 weeks, next 4 weeks. I like in the next 2 weeks if you can't set an appointment with me in the next 2 weeks. But I am not available on Friday or Monday. So then availability will be shown in increments of 30 minutes. I kind of like you to let me know before 3 hours. I don't like last minute appointments, and buffer between appointments is 30 minutes. I can limit the number of sessions per day that I have. I can add fields. I can edit the form questions. I can add a field. These are everything that I can add in here. We're just going to leave it as is. Going to hit cancel. And then there's the confirmation. I can hit a thank you for scheduling your power session. And a description, I can add a call to action. I'm going to leave that blank. I'm going to leave all that blank. And then we're going to save the changes. So now my booking is created. Then I'm going to come back to the builder. And then I'm going to add a widget here. But before I do, I think what I'll do is I'm going to add a block. And I want this to be a video block. And then I'll get rid of this block up here. And then I'm going to, I'm going to say, thank you for scheduling your power session. Whatever title you want to give to this, because this is your own branding page. Lots are things. And I'm going to have a video here. Hi, my name is Jonathan. This is what we can expect. Or I can say, watch the video to learn what you can expect in your session. Now I'm going to add, then I changed the, edit the video. And then I put that video source in there, my custom thumbnail. I can add a book your appointment now, anything to that title. But let's just say I'm going to get ready to add my block. And my block is going to be an empty block. So, and then I'm going to add a widget. And that is going to be booking. So I drag it out here. And then appointment with the master of disaster. Then I'm going to change the booking layout. I really like this one. And I can change the summary styling. I can change the active color, background color, form styling, anything that I want. And then I'm going to select the font. And then I'll do there. Okay, then I've just saved the changes. Then I'm going to take a look and see what it looks like. Thank you for scheduling your power session. Watch this video to learn out what you can expect. I can say set up your appointment, and then here we have it. Look at how well that looks, guys. You can pick a date and time. Off this Friday through Monday, that you can set up a time with me anytime, and I'll even help you set up your website. So that's, guys, this is a powerful little tool. I'm so glad you watched. If you watch this later, please let me know if you have any questions or pound replay. Take care, guys, or hashtag replay if you watch later. Hope this has helped. And you have a great day. Head on over to scribblefunnels.com to start your website journey. Thanks.